Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams. First, create a detailed study schedule to manage your time effectively. Break down large topics into smaller, more manageable sections. Gather all necessary materials like textbooks and notes before you begin your study sessions. This foundational planning sets you up for success and helps you feel more in control of your preparation. Next, engage in active learning. Don't just passively read. Summarize information in your own words to truly grasp it. Regularly practice with past exams or sample questions to familiarize yourself with the format. A great technique is to teach concepts to someone else, as this really solidifies your understanding and highlights any gaps. Now, let's talk about smart review. Use flashcards for quick recall of key terms and definitions, making review efficient. Identify your weak areas and dedicate extra time to them, rather than just reviewing what you already know well. Also, simulate exam conditions during practice to reduce test day anxiety and build confidence. Finally, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get adequate sleep before your exam. A rested mind performs better. Stay hydrated and eat nutritious meals to maintain energy and focus. On the day of the exam, arrive early and prepared with all necessary items. A calm and prepared approach will help you perform your best.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.